Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Windows search does not find files to contain within your Google Drive saved on your computer guys. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type indexing option, open it. In here you need to select modify option and we need to check mark the local disk C guys. Check mark the local disk C, as well as you need to check whether the local disk C is checked inside of users and documents in here, and you need to check that, and you just need to check mark in the box. And after doing that, click show all locations. In here you need to check whether users and local disk C is checked in here, and after doing this click OK and go to advanced, and in here you need to troubleshooting delete and rebuild index. Click on rebuild, and rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and some search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Click OK, and that has been started in here guys. Indexing is paused, it will start in here. Wait for it to complete it guys. It will take long time to complete it guys. After getting indexing complete, you just need to close out of here and you should good to go guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.